If you are struggling to keep up with short-form content, I am going to show you the exact system I use to turn one long YouTube video into a massive pile of ready-to-post clips for TikTok and Reels in record time. I used to waste hours hunting for good moments and dealing with clunky exports, but now I do almost everything in a few simple clicks using Vizard, which has completely changed my daily workflow. You can start by simply uploading your raw YouTube file or dropping in random clips you shot on your phone, and the platform handles both, immediately starting an intelligent analysis of your footage. For this demo, I am using a full landscape YouTube episode because my goal today is to pull out 3 punchy, vertical social media clips that are perfectly optimized for mobile viewers. The absolute fastest way to get moving is to use the auto-editing feature where you just tell the AI how many clips you need and the desired length, and then you hit create to let it do the heavy lifting. The AI instantly scans your entire video, identifying the highest energy moments based on pacing and speech, and then it automatically spits out perfectly time-stamped clips that are already cropped for vertical screens. Within seconds, your project is populated with these new clips, and the system is smart enough to handle the reformatting and subject centering so you never have to deal with awkward or off-center framing. If you are in a massive rush, you could genuinely export one of these generated clips and post it right away because the plug-and-play quality is honestly that impressive. But since I like to add my own personal touch, I use the auto-generated transcript to make quick refinements, which lets me edit the video just as easily as editing a text document. If there is a sentence you do not like or a filler word that sounds off, you simply highlight it in the transcript and delete it, and the video cuts that segment out automatically without any complex timestamp hunting. For deeper changes, you can hop into the timeline view to see all your layers, including audio, video, and captions, which allows you to adjust your framing or your edit points with total visual control. Everything is non-destructive, so you can always bring a piece back or undo a change, which gives you the freedom to experiment without fear of ruining your master file. Captions are another area where this platform shines because you can auto-generate them in seconds and then customize the font, size, and color to perfectly match your brand's unique aesthetic. I personally like to choose a bold, readable style and increase the text size just a little bit because I know most people are scanning these videos on their mobile phones while on the go. One thing creators always ask is how to add polish. So using the built-in stock library, you can drag and drop high-quality B-roll clips right onto your talking head footage to keep things looking dynamic. It is a super simple overlay workflow that lets you add those professional visual layers without ever needing to jump into a different app or switch your software. Now, what if you want to be more hands-on and pick a specific highlight yourself, rather than letting the AI do the work for you? It is actually very easy, because you just scrub to the part you love, copy that section of the transcript, and paste it into a brand new vertical project. Once you paste that clip, the system asks if you want to switch the orientation, and if it needs a little nudge, you can easily drag the video layer to scale it and crop it perfectly into frame. After you add your captions and maybe boost the contrast or apply a light filter to match your feed, you are ready to export that vertical file for upload. My favorite advanced feature, which you rarely see in other editors, is the auto schedule tool that lets you set your posting frequency for all your connected social platforms. You can literally sit down for 1 hour to batch edit your content and then let the AI drip those clips out over the next few weeks, which is pure gold for anyone managing multiple channels. Paired with the content calendar, it becomes so simple to see what is coming up. Adjust your times or swap clips around to make sure you stay consistent. I know there are other tools out there like Transcript or CapCut, and while they are great for specific tasks, many of them lack this all-in-one combination of smart clipping, design, and scheduling. Vizard bundles these essential creator workflows into one place, so you do not have to bounce between 5 different subscriptions just to get a video from your camera to your audience. Even if you prefer shooting and editing on your phone, you can just upload those mobile files and the AI will treat them with the exact same level of detail as your professional footage. My big tip here is to start by giving your files descriptive titles so you can find them later, and always try to edit that first line of the clip to start on a punchy, high-energy hook. Also, use the caption presets as a jumping-off point, but do not be afraid to tweak the font size so your text is ultra-legible on smaller screens. I also suggest you batch all your exports in one session so you can just hit that schedule button and walk away knowing your feed is going to be consistent for the next month. People always worry about watermarks, but in the paid tiers here, you get clean, professional exports, and the process to adjust or remove any elements is straightforward and quick. So, to recap the whole process, upload your long-form content, let the AI suggest your vertical moments, refine the text and layout, add your design touches, and then set it to auto-schedule. That entire loop from raw footage to scheduled post happens in one tool, which is exactly why this has become my go-to workflow for repurposing. If you want to try this yourself, just start with one video. Let the AI suggest 3 clips, and manually tweak one of them so you get comfortable with how the platform works. The time savings are massive once you find your rhythm, turning what used to be a multi-hour production headache into something you can finish in under 30 minutes. If this tutorial helped you simplify your content creation, please hit the subscribe button and drop a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed this walkthrough. Leave a comment if you have specific questions about caption styles or cropping tricks, and I will be sure to cover those in a future video, so I will see you then.